Welcome back to Instables again, as we have been continuing on lower highs here, now testing our 50-day moving average. Are we going to be going long here? Will we possibly have a bounce back for that continuation on higher short term? What exactly would that confirmation look like? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major levels at very key levels. For example, here with VFS mentioning early in pre-market for a possible continuation on above pre-market high at 22.71, continued on higher all the way up to $35 here, and then we continued out even higher into extended hours to $40. Again, a major breakout, one of many that we mentioned throughout the week. Go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure as we anticipate tomorrow's Fed minutes. Again, as we close just above our 50-day, looking for a possible bounce or a continuation on lower. In my opinion, we can open within our prior bodies candle possible bounce that we can have, since our 8-day has not crossed below our 50-day. That could be that possible bounce on a possible continuation on higher. That is that bullish case scenario. We want to close back above our 8-day as we cross back above our 21 here. But until that does happen, we are not extremely bullish here. And until we do get that continuation on decreases in sell pressure, once again, as we get an increase in sell pressure going into today, we are cautious until we do get another decrease in sell pressure. In my opinion, when we do get that next decrease in sell pressure, that will be that possible swing to momentum and possible bounce short-term play that we're looking for here. So again, that is our intraday perspective. Making sure that we get that decrease in sell pressure here will be key. Do not let this... Again, making sure that you just watch this here will be very key, guys. Looking for our 12 to cross still back above our 26 is also our bullish confirmation that we'll be looking for on that continuation back higher. Again, as we look at our weekly chart, we are cautious to the upside and very much cautious with the possible bounce on the daily chart as we test our 50-day. But as we continue on this week, just above our 8-weekly moving average, we want to see exactly how this candle closes. Will we continue on with a wick to the downside and close as a doji candle here, possibly within our prior bodies candle, for a continuation back down to our 21 weekly moving average? Or are we going to possibly have a bounce back here on our 8 weekly moving average and continue on with our uptrend that we have been getting from here? So again, that is the watch here. Will we continue to respect our uptrend that we have been continuing to respect here? We'll see exactly what happens. But again, as we continue on with decreases in sell pressure here on our weekly chart, and also increases in sell pressure on our daily chart, we are cautious. Again, as we have our 12 curling down just above our 26, we could possibly cross back lower here. We are cautious. We want to see our 12 start to curl back up here and reject our 26 from crossing lower to get more confirmation on that longer term momentum. So again, that's what we're watching out for here. That is the watch. That is our psychological candle structure watch here. And looking at our monthly candle structure as we close this month, still looking to see exactly how we close this month on a possible bounce that we still can have, a possible wick to the downside that would show that we are still looking for proof of concept if we will continue on above resistance, or possibly retest our 8-monthly moving average again with that possible wick towards the end of the month. We could have that consolidation and that proof of concept consolidation here that we would be possibly looking for, or we can possibly close with a body candle here lower, which in my opinion isn't exactly plausible, but can happen. And then we would continue with a body candle, since we would be gapping into our prior gap up. So again, that's what we're watching out for overall for watching our monthly candle structure. But again, jumping back into our intraday perspective, our support here is very much testing here, again, from prior consolidation that we had, from proof of concept that we had a hold from and had a gap up from. Now testing, we can have an inside bar open and a possible bounce. We'll see exactly what happens going to tomorrow, but very much cautious as we still have our downtrend here, looking to see if we can close it back above our 8-day for that continuation on bullish momentum. That will be the watch. That will be that short swing term momentum that we possibly have if we do get back above our 8-day. Now, again, with that said, again, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers like we mentioned with VFS, join over 300 members in the Instables room. Again, from 2271 pre-market high, continuing on past 2271, clearly here hitting $35 and then continuing on higher into extended hours up to $40. Again, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day. Again, And again, all of you instables continuing to take what the market gives us, very cautious leading into tomorrow's Fed minutes coming out at 2 o'clock Eastern time. Again, looking forward to going out of the pre-market and morning rush as always, but tomorrow we are going to be extra cautious for sure. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.